The capacity of the mortuary is 45 dead bodies at LNJP, but with the increase in COVID-19 deaths, the mortuary was not able to handle the situation. In 1 week, 108 dead bodies were in LNJP, clammed one over the other. Let's go across to Sherin, who's joining us with more details. Well, till this point in time, we've played out visuals coming in from Mumbai and the apathy, as far as the handling of the dead bodies is concerned. But now these visuals coming in from LNJP is shocking. Some dead bodies, we're being told, were thrown in the passage.
Well, that is right. The visuals are shocking to say the least, because the capacity of the LNJP mortuary is only 45 dead bodies at a time. But we are seeing that there were, in fact, in last 1 week, there were more than 100 dead bodies that were at the mortuary, and because of which, one after the other, it was getting difficult for the LNJP mortuary, for the authorities to deal with the situation. Now we know that there was, in fact, a number of, on one rack itself, there were 2 bodies that were kept, and there were around 28 bodies that was thrown at the passage, because there was no space at all to keep these bodies at the rack. There were few bodies that were around 80 of them were kept on the rack, because there are around 40 racks are there. So in each rack, Swati, there were 2 dead bodies. Accordingly, there were 80 dead bodies that were kept there, and the other, the rest of them were in fact left on the passage. So it is becoming difficult for the LNJP authorities, the mortuary especially, when we talk about, to handle the situation. But they have been saying that because in some of these cremation ground like Nigambodh Ghat and also the other cremation grounds are not been taking dead bodies, there are shortage of staff. That is why there is a difficulty in maintaining these dead bodies which are at the mortuary at this point of time.
Well, there are more breaking inputs coming.